Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial of WP Phoenix. Well, let me tell you something. This is what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be talking about something that it's pretty much different than what I usually do. I'm going to be showing you and recommending you the themes that I use to build my sites. It's not like just to do a tutorial. What I do with the themes and the reviews that I created, it's that I actually use them, deal with them, like do some tweaks and tricks with it. So it's not like, okay, I'm gonna check a tutorial, see how it is, I'm gonna check a theme, oh okay, this is how it works, that's it, I'm gonna be creating a tutorial. No, I actually use them. Like I said at the beginning, I know how it works, I know how good it is, and that's what I'm gonna be doing, my top 7. All right, and the first one that I'm gonna be talking about, it's the one, in my opinion, it's the my favorite. It's Astra Themes. All right, so Astra Themes, it's a pretty light theme, and it also gives you what it says in the website. Okay, for example, let's go in the Astra. If you actually want to check their website, I'm gonna leave the links in the description of the video, but you can actually see in here wpastra.com. That will take you to the official website. So let's take a look to the start sites. It, like I said, it's really fast and light with it, so that's why it's one of my favorites to use it in WordPress. So in here, it will show you the demos of all the websites that it has, all the page builders that it come with it. At the beginning of it, Astra was dominated by Page Builder, and then Elementor took over, and now it's Gutenberg and Breezy, the ones that are going into it. But the most powerful page builder at the moment, it's Elementor. Gutenberg, it's it's a new update from WordPress. It's good too, but I will go with Elementor, right? And Breezy is good, but it's still on the pro version. It's still on developing stage, right? They're doing some updates too. It ain't complete yet, according to my opinion. Just remember that all the things that I have been saying in these videos are my personal opinions. I'm not getting any credit from it or anything like that, right? So, like I said, what I like about Astra, it's what it gives you, what's in the box. For example, if you want to start building a site and you don't have a lot of money, or like your budget, it's pretty limited, let's go with the free ones. All right, and in here you're gonna see let's go with Elementor, and in here you're gonna see this demos. You can use any of it, but the best thing that I like about it, it's that it gives you what it's in the demo. For example, the transparent menu. Some of the themes, they do display menus like with transparency, and then when you import them, or like when you're using them, what they said, oh, if you want to use a transparent menu, you have to buy the pro version or any other type of version. No, Astra gives you what's in the box. All right, and like I said, it's pretty smooth, it's pretty easy and simple to use. Okay, so this one was Astra. That's the first one that I would recommend to use it. Let's go with the next one, which is Layers WP for Elementor. Elementor just took over this page builder, which is a good one. I have been using it. I'm actually creating a video tutorial on this one. It's right here. It ain't ready yet, but I'm testing. Like I said, I use them. It's not like I just whatever, just okay, let's do like a 2 minutes test and then let's create a tutorial. No, I use them. I mean, I see how the speed is and everything. All right, so going back to where we were before, here is it, Layers for Elementor. It's pretty light too. It's dedicated to Elementor, and it has a great potential in Elementor, meaning that it's from Elementor. All right, let's go with the next one, which is GeneratePress, and let's see what we can find in GeneratePress. All right, so here is the official site. Here is a play video where you can actually see what it does. Go to the site library. You're gonna watch all the videos, and it also has no page builder and page builder. All right, So here are some of the demos that you can actually take a look to it. And like I said, it's a pretty good one. So I will give a credit to this one, and that's why it's in my top 7 of my favorite themes to use with Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so we have done that. Let's go back to Ocean. Ocean WP also has a great potential with Elementor Page Builder. Here at the website. So let's take a look to this demo to see how clean it is. So this is what it comes with this demo. Okay, so we're just looking at one of the demos, and it's actually one of the free ones. Transparent menu, that's one of the most, well, not anymore, but at the beginning of it, it was one of the most fighting let's say add-on to have in your site. Why? Because it will always cost extra just to have the transparency in their menu. Not anymore. They realize that the competition is getting harder, and that's what they're actually doing demos with that stuff included. Alright, so this is one of the demos. You can actually take a look to it, to their official website, which is oceanwp.org. Alright, so the next theme in our list, it will be, let me take a look to it. It will be Page Builder Framework. Okay, I have used this one. I have tested. It's a pretty good theme to use it. Here are some of the demos that you can actually take a look to it and see if this one will work with you better. Okay, it has a free version, and obviously, like any other one, it has their pro version. So I guess that now the competition is harder and harder, because back on time, like, you pretty much had to design everything in the back. Not anymore. And Elementor, like I said, it's dominating the market. That's my opinion about it. So if you want to use the Page Builder framework, you can check it in their site. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description, like I said it before, and you can use it, select it, play with them. Meaning that most of them, I'm not saying like all of them, actually have their free version and their pro version. All right, next one, Hestia, another great plugin that it actually can be used with Elementor Page Builder. Okay, here it is. In our top 7, it's Plugs. Plugs has a lot of demos, like demos that are 100% editable with Elementor, and the demos are fully loaded. Like, what I mean with fully loaded, it's like every single detail, it pretty much has been covered. Let's take a look to this one, and here it is. It's covered from top to bottom. It actually has text in it. And I haven't really seen that Plugs is actually adding any like demo text in their demos. Okay, so if you want to buy the demo, the pro version of Plugs, it's available in ThemeForest too. They have been running a deal on their official site. I don't know if it's available anymore by the time that you're watching the video, but the deal was, okay, try Plugs free for like a month or 2, I think it was, and then if you like it, you can download the pro version. But now they only have the pro version running into ThemeForest. They left ThemeForest for a quiet period of time, and then they just got back to ThemeForest. All right, so that will be my top 7 of the themes that I will be using with Elementor if I actually want to be designing websites. Like I said, these are my personal ones, the ones that I use it. That's what I'm recommending you them. There is no credits behind this one, so if you actually like them, just don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I have more videos coming in the next days. I'm gonna see if I'm actually gonna be able to upload more videos according to your needs, according to your requests. All right, So leave me a comment at the bottom, and we'll see what we can be doing. All right. Thank you and have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.